Hey friends. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I am going to be following a skincare routine for a week and see what happens. I have seen the video of Pony doing her nighttime skincare routine 800,000 times. And I decided that I wanted to pick up some of the stuff that she was using. I tried to find as much stuff as possible. I bought stuff at my local Sephora, but of course, Pony and I don't have the same skin types, so I tried to get some stuff that was like my skin type, otherwise it might be a crazy disaster. And I'm not even sure what kind of skin Pony has anyway. All I know is that she is a glowing goddess from heaven, girl. Yes. Anyway, where was I? Basically, we're gonna follow Pony's skincare routine for a whole week. You guys can join me if you want. You can do this experiment and see what happens. I'm excited. I am excited because I feel as if this is going to transform my life, because right now my face is dry, girl, and I am ready to be moist. All right, so I'm gonna put on the video and we're gonna follow along with Pony. We're gonna do this for a whole week, all right?
첫 번째 단계로 리베나이 리무버를 사용을 해볼게요. 눌러주세요. 10초가 지나면 지그시 좌우로 살짝 누르면서 내려주는 거죠.
Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is remove the eye makeup. So this is what she's using on her eyes. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. So I'm gonna take some of this on a cotton pad, which I've got right here from the Face Shop. Link in the description. Lord, oh Lord. I got it. Am I doing it right? Oh my god. Wow. Wow, this stuff really works. I'm gonna need more than one pad though. The going up and down part is weird. Okay, then we have to erase our eyebrows and our lipstick.
클렌징 오일을 사용을 해볼 거예요. 적당히 붙여준 다음에 얼굴 전체에 넓은 면부터 둥글게 굴려가면서 베이스 메이크업을 녹여주세요.
Okay, now we're gonna take the cleansing oil. She's using the Shuyamero one, the purple one. What does the purple one do? The skin purifier, I think. I don't know. Okay, so we're just gonna put a few squirts. Oh. Relax. This actually feels really nice. Oh. Ain't you ever seen a princess be a bad bitch?
최대한 오일이 굉장히 라이트하면서 문질렀을 때 너무 되직하지 않고 가벼운 텍스처를 고르셔야 무리 없이 부드럽게 지우실 수가 있어요. 네, 이 정도면 다 녹은 것 같은데요. 이제 물로 한번 헹궈내 볼게요. 딱 피부에 비슷한 온도로 설정을 해주셔야 아무런 부담 없이 피부를 헹구실 수 있어요. 클렌징의 마지막 단계로 폼 클렌징을 사용을 해볼게요.
Okay, so next she's using a foam cleanser. The foam cleanser that I have on hand right now is this one from the Face Shop, and it is the Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser.
모공 브러쉬를 사용해서 마무리로 부드럽게 사이사이 거품을 좀 껴주듯이.
Okay, so then she's using a brush. Wow, I look like I took a bite to the face. Ooh. Foaming action.
닦아주면
You're supposed to go over your eyeballs, apparently. Oh my god.
보이진 않지만 마지막 스텝이 하나 더 남아있어요. 바로 녹찬물 패딩인데요. 먼저 피부랑 비슷한 온도로 스킨을 발라주기 전에 녹찬물로 좀 피부를 디톡스 시켜주는 단계거든요. 근데 저는 이 단계를 매일 하진 않고 한 일주일에 3번 정도 하는 것 같아요.
Okay, so now we're gonna do this crazy step that involves green tea powder. Oh my god. So she puts it in her actual sink, but I don't have a plug in my sink, so I'm just putting it in a bowl. Why is it sealed like a can of cat food? Okay, and we're only doing this green tea step once every couple days. So we're gonna do it 3 times a week. So we're gonna do it on day 1. Let's do day 1, day 4, and day 7. girl, that green tea step is messy. But it works. Like, my face feels better. Wow. What the heck?
그다음 맨날 사용하지는 않는데 일주일에 한 3번 정도? 짧게는 15분, 길게는 30분 정도 있다가 떼주시면 됩니다. 꿀이나 아니면 바나나.
Alright, so I bought this really cool banana and honey mask that she's using. The actual mask that she's using. Thank you, Yes Style. I'm gonna grab one of these. This is another step that you're only gonna do 3 times a week. So day 1, day 4, and day 7. She's thick and she dripping. Oh my god, I'm in love. Now I have to buy more. Ugh, Pony, I'm too poor for this. I'm putting the extra juice on my elbows. This step we're gonna leave on for about 15 minutes and I'll get back to you guys.
와, 진짜 윤기 대박이죠? 제 스킨
Alright, now it's time for toner. So you have to swipe away all the particles from the towel and the dust. So the toner that I'm going to be using is this one from Claire's. It is the Supple Preparation Facial Toner. Doing the swiping motion. And now it's time for face cream.
보다시피 굉장히 조금 완전히 보송보송해질 때까지 코팅을 해주시면 돼요. 이 정도면 피부에 하는 나이트 루틴은 다 끝난 것 같고요. 제가 자기 전에 꼭 하는 2가지 스텝을 지금 밟으러 가볼까요?
And then she does 2 extra steps at the end. She was on cuticle oil and a lip balm. Now I do not have cuticle oil. But I do have a lip mask. I have the Laneige lip mask, so let me grab that for you guys. So this is the Laneige lip mask, and it is a mask and not a lip balm, but you're supposed to wear it overnight, so essentially it's the same thing. I will keep you guys updated and let you guys know how my skin is changing by doing Pony's routine versus my regular routine, which honestly has been kind of lazy. Okay, so these are some pictures from day 1. As you can see, my face looks so smooth and moisturized and a lot better than it has been looking lately. I do have some texture on my forehead that you guys can't see here, but I'll show you guys later. But my skin's looking really nice right now, so moisturized. And this is the next morning. Don't mind the crusty eyes. Sorry. But my face still pretty much looks the exact same as when I went to bed, which is amazing. So I really tried to diligently do this every single day. And I did the routine morning and night. But like I said, the green tea part and the banana mask part, we're only doing 3 days a week. So I only did the full routine on day 1, day 4, and day 7. So this is me doing the green tea part. It was so messy. Every time I had to clean my entire sink. But it was well worth it because green tea detoxifies your skin and it makes it look more moisturized and softer. My favorite part of the routine is definitely the spray. I was using the Evian spray. It's just, I love spraying my face. I don't know what it is about it. It's so refreshing, girl. Yes, okay. Anyway, this is me doing the entire routine on day 4. So this is the photo that I took on day 4. My skin's still looking plump. That's it. My skin looks more plump. Yes. And shiny. Love it. Now, in the morning and when I was on days where I didn't do the full routine, I just did the basic routine, which was really, really simple because it was only 4 steps. All I had to do was wash my face, spray my face, tone my face, and then moisturize. And that was it. And it was so fast, guys. It was unbelievable. Way faster than my normal routine. One day I timed it. It was only 4 minutes. Crazy. Anyway, so this is actually the last day, day 7 in the morning. And as you can see, I still have texture on my forehead, but the rest of my face looks pretty great. So I finished off that night with the full routine, took all my makeup off, did the mask, did the green tea part, and my skin actually feels amazing, guys. I feel like I'm definitely gonna take some stuff from this routine. Pony definitely knows what she's talking about with skincare. I mean, just look at her. Yes, honey. Okay. So I feel like I'm definitely going to incorporate the green tea into my routine. See if that helps a little bit more with the texture that I tend to get on my forehead. And I didn't have a single actual like pimple that whole week. Zero. Nada. Not a one, honey. So I'm super excited about that. And that banana mask, the banana honey mask, oh my god. That is the best mask that I've ever tried. So you guys should definitely pick that up. It was so good, so moisturizing, and you could tell like it was just really good quality. You can tell a really good quality mask, and that's a good one. But that's it, guys. Let me know if you have tried any of these products, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. I love ya so much.